In the previous video tutorial of the Diagramming for Blazor series, we built a simple application where users could create nodes on a diagram with drag and drop from a list view. We are going to use this project to demonstrate some of the features the diagram library offers regarding user interaction. When nodes are selected, modification handles appear and allow you to resize the nodes. Resize can be done in both directions, and the width-height ratio of the node can be changed. Nodes can also be rotated. For that to happen, we need to show the rotate modification handle. We do this by setting the enabled handles property to all. As you can see now, the rotate handle is rendered along the rest of the modification handles, and users can rotate the nodes by clicking on it. The adjustment handles are shown when the user selects a node. We can change that with the modification start property and show the handles whenever the user hovers with the mouse over a node. This is a property of the diagram view. So, when the mouse is over a node, the handles appear. When we drag between nodes, a link is created. By default, links can only be created between two diagram nodes. That can be changed with the Allow Unconnected Links property. When set to true, users can draw a link to any point on the diagram, regarding there is node there or not. There is an option, when the user double-clicks on a node, to be able to type it in text there. To allow this, use the Allow in Place Edit property and set it to true. The text in the node is not well looking, but we can change that with the text format property. It specifies the alignment of the text, and we want to center it. Text format is property of node, so we will use the node created event handler to specify it. We will also add some padding to the text, so it doesn't get overlapped by the thick border we have set for the nodes. We obviously also need to center the text vertically. The property for that is line alignment. We set it to center as well. The text of nodes appear well now. Even if it is a long one, it still avoids being hidden by the node stroke. Let's shift our attention to diagram links now. As you see, links consist of segments. When the links are straight, the segments are too. We can change the shape of a link with the shape property. There are several options. Let's set our link shape to Blazor. For that to happen, we need to handle the link created event. The event data provides us with a reference to the newly created link. As you can see now, Blazor links have 4 control points. The number of link segments can be specified manually indeed. This is done with the segment count property. Let's make our links polyline and set the count of their segments to 5. Now as you can see, each link has 5 control points and we can adjust its shape manually. There is a property that arranges neatly the links and breaking them into perpendicular segments. It is called route links and is a property of the diagram. When turned on, link overlapping is avoided whenever possible, and links look easy to follow. When we drag the mouse over the diagram area, we can create new nodes. This behavior is also specified with a property. The property is called behavior as well and specifies how the diagram responds to user actions. Let's change the behavior to link tables, which means that mouse drag creates new table nodes, and drag between 2 nodes links them. Now we can draw tables. When you hold Alt while you drag the mouse, the diagram always pans the view. And that is all for today's video tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your interest in MindFusion Developer Tools.